Okay guys, so what's happening now? It is 5:40 a.m. I'm going for a minor procedure in Bloemfontein. And he has asked me to pick him up in Bloemfontein. Now the trip to Bloemfontein ain't no old trip. I'll have to take the bus. And anyone who's taken the bus anywhere knows tough times never last. Only tough people last. It is a mission to take the bus. I'm gonna do a quick workout just to get the blood pumping. Yeah, so let's go. Especially in the colored community, when you're dancing, your facial expression should look disgusted. That's how you know you're having a good time. You know, like, you.